Welcome to Roost Vans. This is our latest build, McCaffrey. It's a 2022 all-wheel drive, 148 wheelbase Transit, where we installed a second row of seats, also some swivel seats, an articulating table on our custom positionable articulating table mount system, some upper cabinetry and an open shelf for the Transit, as well as our Transit rail system. Another open shelf and cabinet on the other side, as well as our flip-up bed system in the configuration now of a 2-panel with a flip-up on the front and the rear. But in this case, we also installed a third panel just right underneath it as a bench. So you can have a seat, take care of your ski boots, anything else you might need to do. Now we also have our compact kitchen cabinet with a collapsible water faucet and burner. Great for making coffee and some simple cooking. We also have our control panel that controls all of the ceiling lighting on a dimmer, as well as the under cabinet lighting all the way throughout the van. We also have a USB charger, as well as an S-bar gas heater located underneath the passenger seat. Now the power station is a Yeti Goal Zero 1500X that charges off of the engine, also has a shore power lead for charging. I have a nice storage compartment on the left side, and as well as my favorite, a hidden kick plate drawer. Now out the back, we have our garage space with coin vinyl floor. We also have our inline hot water system that stores in these tracks, and also comes with what we call a duck board for taking showers on. Now the hot shower, super simple. You turn the pump on. You also have a water level indicator, water fill port that's located inside the van as opposed to punching a hole outside the van, and you hear it kicking on, and in moments you have a pretty steamy hot shower. Out the back we also have a second flip-up kit. You can back up to a beautiful sunset and have a couch looking rearward outside the van. Check us out at roostvans.com for any of your building or DIY product needs.